triangle ABC. See here, triangle ABC. Similar triangle AXY. This is given. We have also given AB. AB upon AX is equal to 5 upon 3. If XY is equal to 4 centimeter and this BY bisects angle XYC, then find AY. Okay, now we will find AY from given information. First of all, see here our solution. We have given here triangle ABC, similar triangle AXY. Okay, now if these two triangles ABC and AXY are similar by any test, then we say that their corresponding angles are congruent. And the ratio of their corresponding sides is in proportion. Okay, now first I will tell you their corresponding angles are congruent. Now see, angle ABC means this angle ABC, congruent angle AXY. These are congruent. Remaining angles are also congruent, in pairs are congruent, but we want this. This is very, very important for this example. Okay, now see this angle ABC, this angle and angle AXY. These two angles are congruent. Then we say that these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, by converse of corresponding angles for parallel lines. If these two angles are corresponding angles and congruent, then we say that these two segments are parallel. Therefore we write here XY parallel BC. Did you get it? Now these two are parallel. Okay, now see here, if these two XY parallel BC, now we have proved here. Now XY parallel BC and this BY is a transversal and this BY is a transversal, then we say that this angle and this angle are congruent. See here, therefore angle XYB congruent angle, see this XYB congruent Y angle YBC. Did you get it? These are, see here, we give number here, number. Okay, this is number 1, this is number 2. Here no need of number, but I have given their number. Now see this angle XYB congruent angle YBC. These are alternate angles. Did you get it? Now we have given, see this, BY bisects angle XYC. This BY bisects angle XYB means we write here, see this, therefore angle XYB congruent angle BYC. Did you get it? Because this is bisector of angle XYC. Therefore, these are congruent. Now, equation number 3. From 2 and 3. 2 and 3. See this, XYB, LHS. Both are same. Therefore, RHS are also same. Therefore, we write here angle YBC is equal to angle, we write is equal to or congruent, no problem. Congruent angle BYC. Did you get it? See here. See this. YBC, this angle YBC, congruent angle BYC. If these two angles are congruent, then by converse of, therefore, by converse of an isosceles triangles theorem. Isosceles triangles theorem. If these two angles of triangle BCY are congruent, then we say that YC, opposite side of angle B, that is YC, is equal to or congruent, or we say congruent side BC. Did you get it? Now instead of congruent we write there is equal to. Okay. Now we write here therefore YC is equal to we write here BC. This is very very important, and this is our number 4. Did you get it? Now we have given triangle ABC similar triangle AXY. Already we have given this. So we write here series. If triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is in proportion. AB upon AX is equal to BC upon XY. BC upon XY is equal to AC upon AY. Did you get it? Now we put values. See this, AB upon AX. What is 5 upon 3 is equal to BC, value of BC. What is value of BC? YC. But before that, or directly we can keep there. See this, BC means YC. We put here upon XY. What is XY? 4. See this, BC is equal to YC. We put value of this BC directly here. Then we take this 4 to the left side. Therefore YC is equal to, see this, 4 into 5, 20 upon 3. This is value of YC. Did you get it? Now we use these two ratios. See here. AB upon AX. AB upon AX is equal to AC upon AY. Now this AC is made from AY plus YC. AC made from, see this, AC made from AY plus YC. Did you get it? AC made from AY plus YC upon AY, original. Now we know the value of AB upon AX, so that's 5 upon 3 is equal to, we want to find AY, so we keep as it is, AY plus YC, value of YC, here we put here, or first we keep as it is, YC, okay, we put as it is. See this, I will show you simple method, okay, cross multiplication. Therefore, see this, 5 AY is equal to 3 AY plus 3 YC. Okay, now when we take this 5 AY and 3 AY together, 3Y smaller, so we write 5 AY minus, we take this to the left side, minus 3 AY is equal to 3 YC. Now here 5 AY minus 2 AY means 2 AY. Did you get it? And this 3 we take here, or afterwards, see here, afterwards I will tell you. Instead of taking here, see this, YC, what is value of YC? 20 upon 3. 20 upon 3. Did you get it? Value of YC. 3 cancelled. Therefore, AY is equal to, this 2 is multiplied here, we take to the right side. Therefore, 20 upon 2. Therefore, AY is equal to 2 tens are 20, means AY is equal to 10 centimeter. Did you get it? Write this.